guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. Today I am going to be unboxing all of my fall decor with you guys on camera. I've done this video 3 years in a row. I love doing this because I get to assess everything that I have, and honestly it's like free therapy to just go through this stuff because it makes me so incredibly happy to see it all again after not seeing it for a while. Also, it feels like a fall day here in Ohio. It's drizzling, it's 70 degrees. It's my kind of weather. I'm just loving it. And like I said, I've done this video 3 years in a row, and every single year I do it with my friend Miranda from the channel Maranda Kristen, and this year is no exception. You guys already know and love her, a lot of you, but I know I have a lot of new people here too who may not know her, so I'm gonna have her channel and her video linked down below. She's gonna be doing the same thing, and I know that you guys will love her, so please go check her out. She lives in the cutest farmhouse on a literal farm. She is a thrifting queen. She is just like so curated with her style. She's very like antique farmhouse. It's so beautiful and cozy, and I think you guys will really get a lot of inspiration from her decorating videos, but she does cleaning videos as well, haul videos, thrift with me videos, just so much good stuff over on her channel, and she's starting her fall videos now also. So please go check her out, and thank you so much for collaborating with me, Miranda. You know how much I love you, love your style, and I'm just so happy to be doing this video with you. So I have my flannel, I have my pumpkin spice, could I be more basic? Don't answer that question. And we're gonna start going through these bins. It is a mix of fall and Halloween, by the way. And I did a huge declutter last year, so I probably have far less than you guys expect, but I'm excited to get into it, so let's start. All right, so here are my 2 boxes. I only have 2 boxes of fall and Halloween decor mixed together right now because I did a massive declutter last year. And even though this bin is huge, there's actually, I don't think there's that much in it because I think it's holding like pillows and stuff. So I'm excited to get into it. I think I'll start with, which one? Let's start with this box because I don't think it's as exciting as maybe this one. Oh, there actually is a lot more in here than I thought. So this is a DIY that I did out of all Dollar Tree supplies. I'll link that below. I also have this blanket from Joann's that I really wanted to get out for my pre-fall decorating, which I'm gonna make a video on very soon. My gorgeous garland from Michael's. I cannot wait to put this on my TV stand. Oh, my wreath has seen better days. Hopefully I can fluff that out, but I got this from Target last year and I just adore the colors on it. I also have this wreath from Pier 1, RIP, because I believe that they officially closed, but I love this wreath too. I literally don't even remember this. Where did I get this? I have no idea when I got this. That's crazy. I know for a while I was thinking that for my wedding, my guest book would be a faux pumpkin that I would have everybody sign, but I have a different guest book now, but maybe I can still put this out, I don't know. I have this pumpkin. This is I think this is one of my oldest pumpkins. I got this from a TJ Maxx. We didn't even have a Home Goods when I got this pumpkin, and it lights up, but I don't think I have batteries in it right now, and I just think it's so cute with all the little holes that the lights can shine through. I have my Mr. and Mrs. Pumpkin. I didn't get to use this last year because I wasn't married. I'm still not married, but I'm getting married this fall, so I got this actually for our wedding. So you guys may remember my big Cinderella pumpkin. Last year when I unboxed this, it had cracked, or maybe it was the year before. It's still cracked, obviously, and it cracked even more. So I don't know if it's time to let this one go because it's kind of dangerous at this point since it is glass. You can see that big crack. But this was like $12 at TJ Maxx before they like jacked up their prices. Now this would easily be like $25, $30 there. but it's so pretty. I wish it wasn't cracked. So this is a DIY that I made out of Dollar Tree supplies. I love this actually. You would pay so much more money for this than just $1, or it's like $1.50 to make this. So I'll link that down below because you could easily remake this again this year. I have 2 of these pillows. I think these were from TJ Maxx. The back side is just like a dark velvet, and I may end up using these in the bedroom this year or on my couch, I'm not sure yet. And then this beauty here, you see all the sparkle and beading on it. This was a gift from my friend Julie. And that's everything for this box. I think we will move on to the smaller box, which I know has a lot of Halloween mixed into it, so my Halloween lovers will probably really enjoy that box. All right, so on to box number 2. This has a lot of little things in it, so we won't go over every last thing, but I have this bag of preserved leaves. In this bag, I just have like a million small pumpkins. You can kind of see, like, I have some buffalo check ones, some white ones, some velvet ones. A lot of them are just like the little Target dollar spot pumpkins. Now for some Halloween decorations. I have this pumpkin this is from Kroger. My happy little ghost from TJ Maxx, I think, or Home Goods, one of those places. He just says boo. This is from Joann's. Love the color of it. Okay, I had to get on the ground because this was literally hurting my back. I have this cute dish towel. This bag is just full of like little Halloween knickknacks, bats, skeletons, things like that. This is one of my favorite pieces. It's this little candle holder that's like a copper jack-o'-lantern. This is super nostalgic. We had things like this growing up, so when I saw this last year, I had to grab it. You guys know I love copper. I have this pillow cover that says it's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. This came from Deco Crated, and the back side has moths on it. This was destroyed by my dogs. You can see it's missing a stem. My favorite little copper pumpkins from Dollar Tree. I use these every year. This is probably pretty hard to see, but these are the bats that I put on my wall, and these are just from Amazon. This is from the Dollar Tree. I think they're gonna have this again this year, and I put this up with a drink station at my Halloween party. I love this sign. This was from TJ Maxx. I don't have a price tag on it anymore, but I'm pretty sure that this was like $10, and it's so cute. It looks hand painted. And then last but not least, I was wanting to grab these out too. This is a table runner from the Target dollar spot that I think I may use in my pre-fall decorating. And I have this similar one from Joann's that I don't know if I'll start using this one yet. This one is definitely more orangey toned, but this one is like a brown almost, so I feel like you can use it year round. So that is all of my fall decor, you guys. You will have to let me know in the comments down below if you thought I was going to have more or if you thought I was going to have less. I think I mentioned that I decluttered a lot of my stuff last year. Most of the things that I got rid of were glass pumpkins because I decorated with tons of real pumpkins last year, and I plan on doing the same thing this year. And I get some questions sometimes about how do you store your decor. You just saw it, it's not that organized. I just put this up in an attic and bring it back down when we're ready to go through it again. And I also get questions, how do you continuously buy year after year? And it's because I do sell some of it if it's current enough to sell. I listed all of my pumpkins last year on Facebook Marketplace. just on like the normal marketplace, and I also listed my pumpkins in a wedding Facebook group, and they sold like that. So that's just a tip for you. If you want a little spending cash this year and you have some decor you're not using, maybe try listing them for sale on a local garage sale website or on Facebook Marketplace. I want to say a big thank you to Maranda for collaborating with me again on today's video. I hope that we can just keep doing this year after year. It is one of my favorite videos to make, and I love Maranda so much. I think she's just such a beautiful soul, and she has such good style and taste, so please make sure you go check her out. And I should have said in the beginning of the video, if you're visiting from Maranda's channel, thank you for being here. I'm so happy that you decided to take a chance on my channel with this video. Just a little bit about me. My name is Kristen. I'm engaged to be married this October, hopefully. And my fiance and I purchased this house a little over 2 years ago, and we just love turning it into a home and just, you know, decorating it, doing little home improvement projects and things like that. So I like to share that on my channel. So if you're interested in that, hit the subscribe button. If you're obsessed with fall, this is the channel for you. I've been exclusively fall since June. I'm crazy, I know. So thank you guys so much for being here with me, my subscribers, Maranda subscribers, anybody who just stumbled across this video. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite thing of mine was, what your favorite home decor piece was, and I will catch you guys in a future video. Bye now.